In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily take a full page screenshot in Google Chrome, even if the web page is much longer than what you can see on your screen. This is a super useful trick for saving articles, reports, dashboards, web pages, or anything you want to capture in one clean image without stitching screenshots together. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the web page that you want to capture. This can be any page in Google Chrome, whether it's a blog post, a long product page, a document, or a website you want to save for later. Once the page is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and I on your keyboard. This will open developer tools inside Chrome. Don't worry if this looks a little technical at first. You only need it for a few steps, and I'll walk you through everything. After developer tools opens, the next thing you need to do is open the command menu. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. This brings up a search box where you can quickly access Chrome tools and commands without having to dig through menus. Now type the word screenshot into the command menu. As soon as you do that, Chrome will show you several screenshot options. What you want to select is Capture Full-Size Screenshot. This is the key step because it tells Chrome to capture the entire page from top to bottom, not just the visible part on your screen. Click Capture Full-Size Screenshot, and Chrome will automatically generate the image and start downloading it right away. In most cases, the file will save directly to your Downloads folder, and you'll have a full-page screenshot ready to use. This is much faster than using third-party tools, and it works great when you need a quick full-page capture for work, school, research, or content creation. It's also a very handy trick to know if you often need to save web page designs, compare layouts, or keep a visual record of online information. If you want to make sure the screenshot worked, just open the downloaded image and scroll through it. You should see the full web page captured in one continuous file. And that's it. You now know how to take a full page screenshot in Google Chrome using a built-in feature that takes just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech tip like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.